Hello guys, today I'll show you how to disassemble your LG L3. This is the model, this is the E400. In this case we're gonna change the power button because this power button doesn't work properly. So I need one from this part. And let's get started. First of all, you need the screw out the back. Fix screw here. Okay, we are in, and we need this button here. This little friend don't work, so we need to take new one from here. Yep, I got one screw here anyway. And come on, little fellows, to me. Yeah, we got him. And put in the right place. Careful to don't damage this gold sticks. Okay. Now we can test it if it's right. Yeah, phone vibrate, power on. So it's work. This thing gonna go to trash. And so it's easy repair. You can save money if you do this in your home itself. Okay, so it's all operation. I hope the video is helpful for you. If you can, thumbs up, subscribe my channel, see you by next video. Hey.